How to present a presentation using your webcam to produce a video. Now I've got a Google slide open here, and how I'm going to start is I'm going to press the present and presenter view. This brings up this little pop-up box and we're just going to remove that. So press Screencastify, it's the extension on the toolbar. Ensure that you've got your microphone and your webcam slider across. You can also go show more options, and there's some show drawing tools here. When you've made your selection, press record. I've got the webcam box now open in the corner, and if I want to go through my presentation, if I just hover over here, you'll see the toolbar up here and you can start going through your slides. Now as you do this, you've got to be very mindful of the fact that when you make the presentation that you've left enough room for that webcam box to appear in this corner. You need to leave enough room at the bottom as well, so if you did put the subtitles on, that the subtitles don't interfere with the text. Another little handy tip is I like to remove the top toolbar. So you've got your three little dots here, the vertical dots. If you go down and you've got the bookmarks and you've got show bookmark bar, when you've finished doing your presentation, go back to the toolbar, select the Screencastify button and turn it off. Now you'll see that Screencastify is now just saving it to your drive. It makes its own folder in your drive called Screencastify. So while we're just waiting for that to happen, also you'll see there's publish to YouTube. Now if you're going to publish to YouTube and you've never used YouTube before, you need to go to your YouTube channel, which is at your Petrock account, and make yourself a channel. And the reason you need to do this is because if you just press publish to YouTube now and you've never opened YouTube before, it just won't know where to send the video. There's some other options there, but you've also got a download option if you want to select it. You can share the video from within inside Google Drive, or you can publish it to YouTube and share from there. To quickly find your video, use the drop down arrow next to the Google Drive, drop it down. You can see it's put it as private. You can change that here if you want, or you can change it in Google Drive. Press view in Drive. So then your video will just take a while to process, won't take too long, and then it's ready to share.